Outline. A detailed outline used to plan a speech. Bring together all the major elements of a speech and includes the introduction, the body, and the conclusion. 8 guidelines for effective preparation outlines. 1. Include the specific purpose statement. Include speaking outlines to help a speaker remember what to say. It includes key words and phrases from the preparation outline.
Be a nerd? What do you have a Fidget Spinner for, nerd? What are you, 9 years old? What is this crap?
An extended speech is
How are you focusing, dude?
and practice in advance.
Come on, man. Like, dude, I thought like 9-year-olds in 2017 use that. What do you play, Fortnite? Do you play Fortnite? You freaking nerd? Huh? Why are you looking at me like that?
You know what isn't cool? Bullying. You know what is cool? Fidget spinners. Are you struggling in class? Is your homework taking forever because you can't focus? Are final projects getting... Don't you stress. Try a fidget spinner. This 3-winged spinning toy is designed to reduce stress. If you're having trouble studying and can't seem to focus, just start spinning the fidget spinner and see how quick your anxiety melts away. Fidget spinners have also been known to increase productivity because they help you reduce the urge to move and increase your focus. Fidget spinners are also super cheap and portable. They range anywhere from as low as $1 to $5. Fidget spinners are also small and portable, so you can take them anywhere you need to go. Their motion is also relatively silent, so they won't be a distraction for others working around you, unless they're extremely jealous, of course.
And then he's sending you a video of the fidget spinners spinning the iron for that
Yeah.
music.
With that being said, fidget spinners are also a conversation starter.
Whoa, what is that?
It's a Fidget Spinner.
Whoa,
Isn't it cool?
it's awesome.
Freaking spin it. It's freaking cool, isn't it? Huh?
They are unique and non-uniform because they are unlike other stress-relieving objects like stress balls and fidget cubes.
Test results are in. Some of you did very good, and some of you did very, very bad. Very disappointed in you.
What? Fuck, man. That was bullshit.
So if you want to cut down your stress levels and look super cool doing it, buy a fidget spinner today.